So a thought has just occurred to me, and I don't know what to do with it. What it is I'm thinking that humanity, the whole of humanity on Earth, we're living an unnatural life. We're not normal, basically. We're not living as nature intended. We're living in a strange way that isn't supported by nature. And the reason I'm thinking this is I'm thinking about computers and the role of computers in our lives now. The computing has changed our lives immeasurably, just incredibly different life for us because of the power of computers. Computers can crunch enormous amounts of data very quickly, and computers enable us to do things that we could never do without them. So we're living in an unnatural way, basically. I think we're living in a way that nature doesn't support, and nature didn't intend for us to be living this way. So we're doing things and are capable of things that I think nature didn't intend for us to be doing. And so we're living in an unnatural way. And so I suppose what I'm thinking is the way we live and things that happen in our world and the way we operate on the world isn't the way nature intended for us to operate. So we're doing, in a sense, we're doing unnatural things. And so we tend to have the attitude that if something happens or something works a certain way, we go, oh, well, it's natural, that's the way it is. But I'm thinking that isn't true. Because we've changed the world so much because of our technology and our computing, we're doing things that nature never planned for us to be doing, I would say. If we were to be living natural lives, we wouldn't have computers and televisions and the internet and everything that's supported by technology. We wouldn't have electricity, for example. We wouldn't have, well, what wouldn't we have? There's so many things we wouldn't have. All the machinery that we have, the dams we've built, the chainsaws, I'm thinking the random things that we have that it seems to me suddenly that we're living unnatural lives and we are operating the way nature didn't intend. My sense is that nature didn't conceive of computers, didn't plan for the change in our lives that computing has made. So I think it's very strange and very interesting to see and to possibly believe that we're living unnatural lives, unintended by nature for us to be living this way. And so everything we do is new and surprising to nature itself. So I'm not sure if we can take the view that when things happen or as things happen, I'm not sure if we can take the view that, well, as nature intended, and shrug our shoulders. I think we're operating the way that nature didn't intend. We're doing things that hasn't been allowed for in nature. So I'm not sure we can say when something happens or the way things are, I'm not sure we can say, well, this is nature and get on with it. I think we're operating outside of nature and doing unnatural things. And that's really crazy to see things this way. And I don't know what the ramifications are. It's just really strange to realize that we're living unnatural lives. It's a very strange thought, but I think it is true. It's just weird.